Tammy Slaton, the unstoppable fan favorite from TLC's hit reality series, 1000 LB Sisters, has just hit yet another life-changing milestone, and this time, it's not about a number on the scale or a doctor's approval. After years of battling weight-related health struggles, public scrutiny, and personal challenges, Tammy has now achieved what she once thought was an impossible dream, landing a major modeling gig for a commercial. Yes, you read that right. The same Tammy who once relied on oxygen in a wheelchair to move around is now confidently striking poses for cameras, showcasing not only her slimmer figure but her radiant new self-esteem. Fans are calling this her Cinderella moment, and Tammy herself says she still can't believe it's happening. The news broke earlier this week when behind-the-scenes footage surfaced online showing Tammy at a professional photo shoot. In the clips, Tammy is wearing a sleek, bold-colored outfit paired with light, natural glam makeup, flashing a confidence that screams, "I own this." The commercial in question is reportedly for a clothing and accessories brand aiming to promote body positivity and diversity in beauty. Insiders say the brand specifically reached out to Tammy after being inspired by her transformation journey, calling her a symbol of determination, self-love, and authenticity. For Tammy, the offer was more than a paycheck. It was validation for years of hard work, sacrifice, and pushing past critics who doubted she could change. Viewers of 1000 LB Sisters have been rooting for Tammy from the very beginning, even during her darkest times when her health was in critical condition and she faced repeated setbacks in her weight loss efforts. There was a point when Tammy's doctors weren't sure she'd survive another year, and her own family admitted they feared the worst. But then, something shifted. After entering rehab for food addiction and committing to bariatric surgery, Tammy lost hundreds of pounds, regained mobility, and began living a more active lifestyle. That transformation wasn't just physical, her mindset changed too. She became more optimistic, driven, and ready to take chances she never would have before. "When I was at my heaviest, I never would have imagined a modeling job was even possible," Tammy told an entertainment outlet during a phone interview. "Back then, I was focused on just staying alive. Now I'm here, on set, getting my makeup done, wearing clothes I feel good in, and people are telling me I'm beautiful. It's surreal." The brand has yet to release the full commercial, but the teaser clips already have social media buzzing. Fans have flooded Tammy's Instagram with congratulatory messages, calling her an inspiration not only for people struggling with obesity but for anyone who's ever felt like they didn't fit society's definition of beauty. "Tammy is proof that beauty comes in all shapes and sizes," one user wrote. "She's worked so hard to get here, and now she's glowing inside and out. I can't wait to see the final ad." Others pointed out how groundbreaking it is for a mainstream brand to feature someone like Tammy, who's not your typical fashion industry mold. For years, modeling has been dominated by ultra-thin figures in a very narrow standard of beauty. But the industry is slowly shifting toward inclusivity, and Tammy's gig feels like another step in the right direction. This modeling opportunity also marks a new chapter in Tammy's career. While she's known for her reality TV stardom, Tammy has hinted in recent interviews that she's been open to exploring new ventures beyond 1000 LB Sisters. She's mentioned the possibility of writing a memoir, launching her own merchandise, and even doing motivational speaking to share her story with live audiences. This commercial might just be the launchpad she needs to make those dreams a reality. Behind the glamour of the shoot, Tammy admits the process was nerve-wracking at first. She was surrounded by professional photographers, stylists, and lighting crews, a far cry from her usual filming days on the TLC set where she's with family and familiar producers. "I was nervous," she confessed. "I kept thinking, what if I mess up? What if I can't pose right? But everyone was so encouraging, and after a few takes, I felt like I belonged there. That was the best feeling, realizing I deserved to be in that moment." Her sister Amy Slaton, who has been one of Tammy's biggest cheerleaders, couldn't contain her excitement when the news broke. In a heartfelt post, Amy wrote, "I'm so proud of my sister. She's been through hell and back, and now she's shining. This is just the beginning for her." Other cast members and even former co-stars from TLC shows have chimed in with praise, proving that Tammy's impact reaches far beyond her immediate fanbase. The brand's creative director also released a statement about working with Tammy, saying, "From the moment we met Tammy, we knew she was the perfect fit for our campaign. She embodies everything we stand for: courage, resilience, and unapologetic confidence. Her presence on set was magnetic, and we can't wait for the world to see the final product." As for when that final product will drop, sources say the commercial will air on television and across digital platforms in the coming weeks, with a full rollout planned during a major seasonal marketing push. Given the anticipation building online, there's little doubt that it will be one of the most talked about ads of the year. In true Tammy fashion, she's already making light of the situation on social media, joking about needing to practice her smolder and asking fans to suggest poses for her next shoot. It's this blend of humor, humility, and newfound confidence that makes her so relatable and so marketable. In the broader picture, Tammy's modeling gig is more than just a personal win. It represents the evolving nature of media and beauty standards, showing that perseverance and authenticity can break barriers once thought unshakable. For someone who once felt invisible in a world that prizes a very specific type of body, Tammy is now not only visible but celebrated. As the countdown begins for the commercial's release, fans are eager to see how this new role will shape Tammy's future. Will it lead to more modeling opportunities? Could she land a spot as a brand ambassador or spokesperson? Knowing Tammy's determination, it's safe to say she's not stopping here. This is just one chapter in what's shaping up to be an incredible comeback story, and the best part is, she's writing it her way. From hospital beds and oxygen tanks to photo studios and spotlight moments, Tammy's journey proves that transformation is possible for anyone willing to fight for it. And now, with cameras flashing in her face soon to be on screens across the country, Tammy Slaton is living proof that dreams, even the ones you once laughed off, can come true. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.